When mapping a drive in Microsoft Windows, you may receive an error that says something like this. So if you're also experiencing the same problem, you can follow these steps in this video. For the first possible fix, restart Workstation Service. To do that, open Command Prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command. Press Enter. Then type in this command. Then press Enter again. For the next possible solution, try to delete the drivers. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights again. Type in the following. Press Enter, then look for any drives listed that may be questionable. In many cases, where this problem occurs, the drive may not be assigned the letter and you would want to remove that drive. So from the command prompt, type in the following, then replace this part of the drive you wish to delete. Then after trying these fixes, you should now be able to map the drives as normal. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.